Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make border with crochet. You can see this border. You can use it under the beanies and your sweaters and making the cuffs. And this border, you can see it will be the same from both sides, from front and from the wrong side. And this looks very beautiful and it's very easy to make. Let's make it together. Now I'm going to start it with 10 chains plus one additional stitch, total 11. Okay, you can make the ribs in the slip stitch, in single crochet and in double crochet. It depends on you how wide you want your ribs to be. So if your work like you can make in the slip stitch, but I want to make in the single crochet. I like that way. Inshallah, I will teach you how to make in the double crochet and in the slip stitch as well. So I'm making 10 chains and one additional chain, and from second stitch from my hook I'm going to make my first single crochet. I'm turning my chain upside down, and you can see the rib, the chain, there is a bumpy pattern on the top. I'm making my first row in that one, so this way it's give a nice and beautiful line in the edge only in my first row. So single crochet in each and every chain to make a first row. Sorry, I think my camera moves, but this first row is done. You can see 10 single crochet and one additional chain. Now turn the work and you can see a braid pattern on the top of the row. Can you see this over here? So I'm going to make each and every stitch in the back loop of this stitch. You can see the back loop? Yes. So every time either you are making a right side or a wrong side, you have to work in the back loop. First single crochet in the back loop, you can see number 2, 3, 4, and same way until the end of the row. By working in the back loop, you can see it gives a nice rib pattern. There's my second row. Nine, and a knot came in the yarn, but it's okay. And one more, 10, and additional one chain. Turn the work and start again in the same way in the back loop of each stitch. I will show you after few rows how it looks like. Look at this. You can see the rib pattern. It's so easy to make. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again, inshallah. Bye. Allah Hafiz.